In this video, how to circular video with border effect in Camtasia. The first way, we can do it using the mask effect. When resizing the mask, be sure to hold the Shift key to maintain the perfect circle shape. Next, we'll apply the border effect to the video and adjust the thickness to create a visible border. Initially, you might notice that the border outlines the entire canvas. To ensure the border only surrounds the circular video, select the Use Alpha checkbox. The second way, it can be done using the media matte effect. To create a border, let's duplicate the shape. Remove the media matte effect. Make it transparent, then create a border by increasing the thickness. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.